Alright guys, good morning. It's a beautiful morning. It's probably going to hit the 80s today for the very first time this season. So we're out here. My boy is finishing up all the paintings for the rails. I'll show you guys in a bit, but I just want to show you something kind of fascinating with this small project, the study house. As you can see, all those ice chests. See, that's the reason we came up with the idea of putting the storage out there, because you know, when islanders get together and everybody brought ice chests here in the States, they just go home and leave all the ice chests wherever they're taking them to. At least that's what I experienced. So all those ice chests were not mine. I didn't buy them. We had you know, a situation that we all gathered here at my house. Everybody brought ice chests and they left them here. So I ended up with thousands of ice chests. Not thousands, but a lot of ice chests. I don't want them to take up space in my garage, so I decided to make a room out here in the backyard specifically for those ice chests. So let me turn this around and I'll show you guys. So there it is. So let me close it, and so you can see the okay. So, see, that's the storage. Oops, okay. There it is. Hey, Coco, can you open, or Yabo, can you open the storage for me? Can you open the storage for me? The storage. Oops, tell your grandma to unlock it. So there you go. Open it all the way up, Coco. Thank you. All right, so there it is. That is the storage for ice chest and some other stuff. It's my in-laws. See why this thing is. Yeah. A pod belongs to my brother-in-law. All right, Coco, thank you. So let's see. So Yabo is finalizing this the paintings. She's gonna paint the door too later on. Coco, are you gonna help your grandma?
No.
Huh?
No.
Why not?
I don't want to.
Come on. So it's all set up, ready to be painted. Yep. And yeah, this storage, I mean study house, as you can see there.
Can you close the door?
Whoa, somebody's already using this for study house. So study house on this side. Can you close it? Hi, John.
No one wants to talk to you.
Hi, John. Oh. All right.
Please get out.
There is the internet pod. And oh, my granddaughter is sleeping here too. Oh, you sleeping in this house too? In the study house? Wow. Okay, so my granddaughter is sleeping in this house too. Alrighty. Okay. Let's get out of here because these guys are mad. They don't want us to bother them. Okay. So this is the project. It is almost done. So So thank you very much. Gotta let you guys go. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also visit our website, www.ifagalz.com, and browse the website. There's a lot of things on there that may interest you. Alrighty, so good luck and have an awesome day.